Hello and welcome to the channel of 3 Minutes Tips and Tricks. Hi, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Vlookup function in Google Sheets. Let me click this spreadsheet titled Vlookup to launch it. What does the Vlookup function do? The Vlookup function extracts data from a cell that's specified column using a specified search key. Alright, let's look at the format of the Vlookup function. The equal to symbol. The name of the function, which is Vlookup. Vlookup means vertical lookup. The opening parenthesis. The search key you want to look up. For example, the search key can be any one of the cells in any column except the last one. The range to search. The index, which is the number of the column from which to extract data. The index is 1 for the first column of the range, 2 for the second column, and so on. The optional is sorted. Its values will be true if the column is sorted, false if the column is not sorted. The closing parenthesis. Okay, here's an objective to use the Vlookup function to extract the item name of item ID, MI798. Alright, let's track the Vlookup function. First, type the equal to symbol. Next, type V. Now click the Vlookup from the drop-down menu. Click cell F2 because it is the search key. Type comma. To specify the range, click cell A2 and shift-click cell D6. Type comma. Type 2 for the index because column 2 has item names. Type comma. Type false for assorted because we want an exact match, further or the column it is not sorted. Press enter. There you go. The Vlookup function has returned microphone as the item name for item ID MI798. Key points to remember. That the Vlookup function searches for the search key only in the first column of the range. If this is the range, the lookup will search this column. If this is the range, Vlookup will search this column and so on. With this Vlookup formula, the data you want to extract for the key should be to its right. For example, if you choose cell B2 as the key, Vlookup can extract the price or quantity. You cannot extract the item ID because it is to the left of cell B2. However, you need to do a little and easy modification in your Vlookup function to extract left column's data. Please see my next video to learn that. Thanks for watching the video. Please share and subscribe my channel.